The following is brought to you by the law offices of Gersowitz, Lebo, and Corrick.
With regard to somebody who sustains a personal injury and gets injured, the result of a defective roadway, say for example a giant pothole that his vehicle goes over while he's traveling on a highway or a city street, the first thing that an attorney should do is to examine the records of the City of New York, if it happens in the City of New York, or the locality that controls the roadway in particular. See whether or not there was what's known as prior written notice in many jurisdictions. That means, has anyone written to the city or to the municipality to indicate to them that this was a problem prior to the accident involving this very defect in the roadway? There are prior written notice statutes and regulations throughout New York State that require, as a condition for being able to even maintain a claim against the municipality, that there be prior written notice to the Department of Transportation or to the relevant subdivision of the particular municipality, indicating that that particular defect actually was a problem. And people may say, there was only one pothole that I went over out of all the potholes in the city. How can it be that the city, that someone would have complained about in writing to that municipality or the city before? And usually, at least in the City of New York, they have 15 days to fix the condition before somebody can come along and has an injury with regard to that particular pothole, for example, to be able to have a threshold to even bring a claim that's going to survive and get attention. There are organizations out there that actually track these potholes and notify the relevant Commissioner of Transportation in the City of New York, for example, that there's a particular defect, and that has to be looked at by the attorneys for an injured party to determine whether or not that the city would be a viable defendant in that situation. There is a certain amount of laws that are designed to protect the city, and this is basically one of them, that protect them from lawsuits, and they have to have prior written notice of a particular defect.
If you or a loved one has been injured due to negligence, please call 800-529-9997 or visit lawyertime.com. Put the team at Gersowitz, Lebo, and Corrick to work for you.